Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to create a payment link on PayPal. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your mobile phone. Then log into paypal.com using your user credentials. After logging in, you'll be on PayPal's dashboard. So here what you're going to do is click on the three-lined icon in the top right side of the screen. Now you will see different options available at this screen. Here what you'll have to simply do is click on Pay and Get Paid. Now, you will get another options from which you'll have to choose Request Payments button at the bottom. Now, when you click on Request Payment, it is going to take you to this page. Here, you can easily click on Create an Invoice button through which you can customize, track and send invoices. Now, after you click on that button, it is going to show you these options where you'll have to enter the email address or the name of the person you want to send this payment link to. After adding the email address or name, click on Add Item or Service. Now, you can easily add any kind of items or service, or you can just leave this and enter a note to customer. Now, you can click on Preview button and see the invoice that you are creating and click on Send button. After which, an invoice will be sent to that person and you would have successfully requested a payment on PayPal. Now, that is how you create a payment link on PayPal for sending invoices. Now, if you want to get your paypal.me link, what you'll have to simply do is go back, then click on Pay and Get Paid. Now, under Accept Payments, you'll have to click on Pay Links and Buttons. Here, you can easily create your pay link. Simply click on Create It button and you can easily create a payment link or QR code or a payment button using this method. So that is the simple way through which you can create a payment link on PayPal in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.